Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. Already new lows tonight. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right, let's go. So quite the no bounce territory today. Now we're gonna see now. Are we gonna be setting up for a bounce or not? We're gonna keep on diving down. When I was at the bottom of the zone on the ES. On the NASDAQ, we made it all the way past last week's low. Here in just quick 2 short days, so gotta be careful. I kind of want to look for a bounce, but I don't know. Hey BK, what's up? That's gonna be unfortunate. Now let's smash the lucky like button real quick. Bam! I'm gonna be lucky number 16. Let's get it. All right, I'm gonna be lucky number 16. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. So having a hard time getting OBS to connect with YouTube tonight for whatever reason. I don't know. I just don't know. We are going to be doing 2 Take Profit Trader accounts giveaway today. So. Let's see. Hey, Roach, good evening. So let's see how this is all going to shake out. You can see right now, regression channel is sloping down. We're down here in the band. So does it not maybe make sense to try to get some of this? I think I am. I'm going to go for a big one. I just went long. Really want to move my stop loss. Afraid that might open up a slippery slope. Move my stop loss below that low. If we look, see if we can get back into today's value area. So 550. 550 would be a banger of a trade if I can get up there. If we can get this all the way up to 550. I'll keep moving this up to about 550. Hey, Roach. What's up? What's up? Blown 2 funded accounts today. Ah, stinks. Hey, Lee. What's up? Eddie, Mike, Ab, White Boy, BK. Almost wonder if I should be playing this with micros. We're already down 122, 126 in the NASDAQ tonight. Almost wonder. Let me get this situated. Let's see. Do we have any news? I'll show you guys a little bit of news here tonight. Oh, tomorrow we have the FOMC meeting minutes coming out. Gold's trying to bounce here a little bit. Hey, Raj, good evening. Yeah, you got some nasty moves. Now, I didn't see how SpaceX closed out today. I'm kind of curious. How SpaceX closed? Yeah, so closed at 143. It's down a little bit after hours. And volatility index, VIX was up only 67 cents. So still not a lot of fear out there in the markets yet. Hey, Block Talk, what's up? Now we're going to keep on. What about the overseas? Wow, Nikkei's down 2,000. Holy shoot. Nikkei's down 2,000 points. Kospi is down 448 points or 58 points. Wow. Wowzers. This might end up being a bad night for me. Because I'm going to keep trying to go long for a little bounce. So I went long again. And I'm probably going to come down and get stopped out. I'm going to keep trying to play a balance. I don't like the Nikkei being down as much as it is, along with the Kospi. Hey, Alan, what's up? Good evening. So I'm not happy about that. Hopefully we get a nice little bouncy bounce. If we look from a structure breakdown point, hope we can see it on the 30-minute. Yeah, I can see it a little bit here. We have this zone right here. Right there. So let's see where the bottom of that zone is. About 515. So maybe about 515, I'll think about taking that trade off. See if I can get a huge win. All right, first trade of the night was already stopped out, so maybe trade 2 will do a little bit better. Maybe. Hopefully. Please. Oh, yeah, books are pretty thin tonight. At least on the NASDAQ, it's pretty thin. Come on, let's keep going. Keep it going. Let's get all the way up to 515. Need to get a big old ripper upper. Plan to stay short till 76.97. Now you gotta realize we were down all night last night. We're down all day today, basically no bounces. Very little bounces. Yeah, short term is starting to get overbought. You see the red background coming in. We're not quite at the upper regression channel yet. Do I dare hold out? Sometimes this bites me in the butt. 30,000. Wow, you got a big range, Raj. Holy crap. That's huge. Hey, now something we didn't listen to this morning. Let me go over here real quick. I want to show you guys something. We talked about it on the stream. I just did not follow it. Let's get the NQ. I'll show you why I should have. So we come right over here and we look at the back test for the NASDAQ. Today, when we broke the one-day minimum, on average, we go 268 points below that. 268. If we look at how far we went, all right, here's the one-day minimum right here. We actually went 222 points. So I should have still been focused on the sell side of the market. It's just hard for me when we've already been going down. It's, you know, pretty steep. I have a hard time with that. So I am gonna move my stop in the money. Come on, let's go. Yeah, we're at the upper regression channel. I might want to think about peeling this off here. Got my finger on the close button. Love to see 1,000 out of this trade. Closing it. Go ahead and close that. I still think we're going up towards that zone. You can see right there, we just friggin' hit it. Gosh darn it. We just hit that zone that we identified here just a few moments ago. So trade 1 was a loss. Trade 2, big winner out there. Not bad. Oh, hey, Raj, I don't have the view app being touched yet. Oh, you might be on the MNQ. Maybe. It's a pretty good little lift up. Pretty good lift. Again, we came right off the lower deviation bands. Big rip up. Yeah, that was a good one. Now let's see if I give out a bunch of paper cuts to give it all back. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Let's go. So now the question is, are we going to keep running up? I'm not going to try to fade this back down. And if you look on the 5-minute chart, it's something you want to pay attention to. I'm going to bring up this chart because it'll be easier to see. But if we look at NQ real quick, look right here on the 5-minute chart. Here's that big down candle. Once we get over 50% of that candle, high probability we go all the way up to that candle body, 527-ish, 527 and a quarter. So we'll see if we get up there. Nice. Just qualify for your first payout. Good deal. Let's go. Hopefully that's the first of many more to come. That's awesome. Look, we did get into that zone right there. That zone's coming off the structure. Breakdown point right here. I like the wick on the bottom of this candle. Now, I am kind of curious. If we pulled a fib from the high all the way down to the low, 38% down here at, or up here at 793. Yeah, 25Ks are easier to pass and get to payout for sure. Now, what about ES? Our ES came into our zone. Let me get rid of this one off the charts. A couple different places we can pull a fib. I'm going to take the more conservative approach on the ES. Do the swing all the way down to a low. 38% retracements at 77.49. I don't know. I've never placed a trade on TradingView, so I don't know speed-wise difference. Hey, Spaces, what's up? What's up? So we're going to be careful here. So still a little bit. Wow, do we actually hit it? No, we did not. So 29 and a quarter. Still a little bit more meat on this trade to hit that target, that big candle body on the way down. Now the question is, do I want to swing at it? So I think I'd like to see a little bit of a cycle down and then try to round out and start going back up before taking another long. I'm sure there's people in the chat that do trade on TradingView. It's pretty popular. Actually, I think Raj trades on TradingView. Short here. Hey, short NASDAQ or you short the ES? Or both? Yeah, it's more VIX expirations. VIX options didn't really make much money today. NAS, nice. I think it was just Japan opening up. We had Japan and we had the Korean markets open up. So Kospi right now is down 451, playing catch up with our markets being down today. We have the Nikkei. Nikkei was down 2,000 points. Now it's only down 1978. I say only, but Dollar index trying to pop back up here a little bit. Look at Mr. Gold. Let me put the bands back on. Came down in the bands right here, rejected right back up. That's funny. Freaking NASDAQ just took off without me. Hey, Leo, what's up? Alley Cat, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I almost just FOMO'd in up here. And then I was like, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, fool? You just had a good trade. Look how far away from the EMAs we are. Come on now. Let's not be an idiot here. Hey, Scoop, what's up? Good thing I didn't look. See? Right back down to the EMAs. Got away from me, though. I was too busy flapping my gums. Oh, ES had a 9 count up here. ES has a 9 count right up here where the NASDAQ does not. Dang it. Hey, Leo, you can go up higher than that. You can check out like 1530. That might slow it down a little bit for you. Find myself wanting to FOMO into it. Hey, look, we're almost at 29.25 is that target. Targeting that candle body off the 5 minute. So I'm going to front run that candle body by a tick. Come on. I don't want to move my stop to break even yet. We're too far away from the EMAs. So we'll probably come back down and then we'll see if we, continue to move up. So if we do come down and then we start to go up, I'll move my stop to break even. Or maybe I'll just hit my target. Should have just took that off. Yeah, we are above the view app right now. We just got above it. Yes, that view app too. Yeah. All right, so now, hey, if we turn and go back up, start going back up, I'll move the stop up. Do I maybe want to push the target even higher? I think I might. All right, stops in the money. See if we can push past 29.25 was the actual target. Want to see if we can get a little bit more of a push past it. We want to stop up a little bit. We keep trailing it up. Keep trailing it up. All right, there we go. There we go. Got a little extra out of that. Let's go. Woo! Loving it. Loving it. So 3 trades tonight. 1 loss. 2 wins. The wins were bigger than the loss. I likes it. It's not a bad night so far. We all know it can turn around very quickly though. Bite us in the butt. Bite us in the tush. So. And look, we're almost all the way to the other side of that zone. There we go. We undid that whole entire zone. All right, let me go ahead and remove that off the charts. And look, we start getting above 548. Next target's point of control. 593. Let's get it. Can we get it? 593, then 696. No, the bots will probably be back. I'm sure they'll be back tonight. So if you guys want, go ahead and smash that like button. Right now we got 42 likes in here. Our views are a little bit down from the normal botted views we've been getting. Oh, man. So we are above the regression channel up here, so I want to be careful about looking for new longs above here. Even though we could go higher, I still would rather err on the side of caution. Yeah, smash our old lucky button. All right, so feels good. I don't really have to do anything at the moment. And if we go ahead and we look real quick, look at today's, how we moved today. All right. That might be a little harder to see. I got my fibs up there. I don't want to mess that up. Let me, let's pull this over. Go to NQ real quick. And let me clean up the charts. Let's go to a 30-minute chart. And look at this. I love this little thing right here. Look. So now look, here was the low from today. What do? We swept the low. Now we're trying to go back up. So if they can't bust it down, what are they likely to do? Bust it up. All right, very simple. As long as we're staying above that zone, I want to focus on long side trades. This is going to be my MO for tonight. Now we start getting back below the zone, then I got to change my tone and, really reconsider at that point. But I do like 787. That might be a little bit too far for me to shoot for tonight. Next target I'm really going to be focused on is going to be that point of control. So that's going to be 593-ish. So we'll see. Is something wrong if it continues up? I don't know, man. I'm hoping we do go up a little bit. Hey, you're right. Hey, but when the market looks bearish, in between as we're going down, you still have ebbs and flows on the way up. And let's think about this. On this push down, get a nice little retracement up, can set up a much larger ABC pattern on the higher time frame. So if we come over here and we look, I didn't do it, clicked on the wrong thing. Come over here and we look at the 4-hour candles with the weekly volume profiles. What do we have? Let me get rid of this zone up here. All right, here's our impulse move down. All right, so watch, we can do something like this. And we go ahead and role play this out ahead of time. All right, we want to grab our Fibonacci extension tool, measure A to B. Let's just say we only come up to a 38% retracement. We come down, we take out that low. Our price completion would be all the way down here at 28,881. If we make it up to the 50% level, our price completion would be about 987. We come up to 61.8. Our price completion would be 29,092. So in order for this pattern, an ABC pattern to form, we need a retracement on the way up. And then we get a nice little turn back down, hopefully. That's what I'm hoping for. Now, we'll see if it happens or not. I don't know. All right, only time will tell. Right now, we're going up. So I'm not trying to fade it. Stupid question. What are you watching and trading? Nah, there's no stupid questions. I'm trading the NASDAQ futures. I do look at the ES as well and trade the ES, S&P. So tonight so far, we've had a range of 15.5 points on the ES. On the NASDAQ, we've had a 151 point range. So, you know, I like this. This is a lot better today. So, you love the night streams? Yeah, I like hanging out with you guys as well. I will say that it's increased my P&L because now I'm looking at the charts, I'm talking about it. Next thing I know, I'm back in the trade. So normally at night, I wouldn't trade as much as I do while I'm on stream, even during the day. During the day, because I'm on stream, I'll trade way more. Now I did trade more this afternoon. My micro trade that I left the stream on this afternoon did not work out. I think I closed it out $125, $150 loss. Made some other trade. I had some swings in my account this afternoon. I had some up downs all around. I think I finished out a little bit lower than where we closed out the stream this afternoon, but it was substantially higher and substantially lower than where we closed out the stream at. So I was having a hot mess. It wore me out today. After I was done trading, I was pretty exhausted. Oh, dang it. I forgot to put my E-foil battery on the charge. Son of a biscuit eater. I'm gonna try to hit the water tomorrow after the stream. Well, you know, it really switches quite often. Did I hear something about South Korea will not be able to buy more in ETFs until they finish a 5-day or 1 hour? No, I did not. I did not hear about that. Huh. Did not hear about that. I know my insurance sales guy. He's Asian, and he was asking me, you know, what I do and stuff. He goes, "Oh, I can't do that." I go, "Why?" He goes, "You know, us Asians." I was like, "What do you mean?" He goes, "We have gambling problems." He goes, "I have a real bad gambling problem, so I can't do it." So I was like, "All right." And saw the Nas. Oh, the bots are back. The bots are back. Oh boy. Man, slacking. Don't they know we started the stream earlier? What's up with that? They've been slacking. They be slacking. So. I can see the way the concurrent viewers are going up. We don't have 850 people in here. We don't. Look at the likes. Look at the chat would be going a lot faster if we had that many people in here as well. So. Hey, Chris, what's up? Now, tonight we are going to be giving away 2 more Take Profit Trader accounts, which means we're going to have to do a poll here in a little bit to see here. So we already know duck number 1 is going to be the duck that wins for sure. But what other place? Do we want the second place duck, the last place duck, the 2 other random number ducks to be the second place winner? We're going to find that all out. So you got to think about, do you want the fastest duck or you just want the lucky duck? Whatever position that is. So we'll see. Yeah, I like the last place. I do too. I like first and last. I do. But, you know, it is what it is. So look, they got the regression channel sloping upward now. They do got it sloping up. And we're not quite in the bands yet. We're not too far away from them. What about ES? Hey, look, the NASDAQ was just down when we jumped on 120 something points. We're only down 17 now. So you see the ES is getting close to the bands up here as well. Now, with that being said, let's go check on the overseas markets again. All right, Nikkei was down 2,000. Now it's only down 1,500. Kospi's only down 383. And I say only because it was down more. Just like our P&L, it's kind of funny. When you first get down $1,000, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm down $1,000. Then you get down $2,000. You're like, oh man, I'm down $2,000. This sucks. You get back to where you're only down $1,000. You're like, whoo, I'm only down 1,000 now. But at first on the way down, you're like, oh, I can't believe I'm down $1,000. Well, then after you've already seen it worse, you're like, whoo, I'm back to 1,000. That's not so bad. It's kind of funny how your perception changes, what's good and bad. So one thing I did learn from many, many, many years of bad trading is if you're ever down big in the morning and then you get close to getting it back where you are back, it's better to stop, because what you thought was bad in the morning, you might end up a lot worse than that. Kospi is a disaster spreading across the globe. Well, hey, how bad did SMH finish out today? SMH was down 4.09%. On the daily, we're still above that anchor VWAP. See, SPY. SPY looks like we still have a little bit lower to go. Get rid of this. Look right here. We have two different breakout points. One, 760.20. Another one, about 755.35. So do we start coming back down there? See if we find support and rally up. Now I'm curious, from a fib retracement level, where would that come into play? Between the 30 and 50% retracement levels. Kind of makes sense. Now, do we bounce up a little bit first and then head down? We got that big gap right there. Let's go see what RSP looks like. Yeah, they did get RSP down today. Looks like it was down 45 cents or 0.45%. Hey, Mike, do you trade an indicator for cash accounts? Oh, hey, TJ, I don't have order activation on. I can't stand that thing where you have to confirm your order. I can't have that. I try to trade too fast. That's one more step. I'll get too frustrated. That's one of the first things I turn off. I turn it off. So, hey, TF, good evening. Yeah, we only got 70 likes and 2,813 bot views. Yeah, I mean, it will stop that, but last thing I want to do is have one more window pop. I'm like, bam, oh crap. Ah, and then it's a hot mess. So I'd rather just not to deal with it. So let's see what's going to happen here. Do we start to pull back or not? And we can do something real quick. Let's, I don't have this set up properly yet. So look, we can see all the little volume profile nodes areas within this profile. So can we come down towards some of those areas? If you're looking for a short, here, I like this high volume node right here. Right about 548 if we start to pull back. Yeah, we're at top of regression channel too. And we do have some FVGs on the way down as well. But because I'm still leaning more towards more of a bounce, I don't know that I want to take any sell side trades. But if we come down here, I do want to focus on some of these low volume nodes as potential buying areas that I'd be interested in. Not just blindly buy, just to be clear. But so we'll see. Hey, Mr. Big Daddy Cool, what's up? Hey, Atomic. I don't think I put you in the... Gosh darn it. Hey, you were in the stream this morning, weren't you? Oh, no. Hey, you had a question. Those indicators. No. I was thinking something else. which actually sparked a question I had, which is a video that's going to come out tomorrow, which I still got to post it on YouTube. I got it all done. I was still trying to push up here on the 1 minute. So I want to stay away from the sell side at the moment. I still think we can pump up a little bit more. So let's get it. Yeah, I can't believe the bot views only have us at 2,900 bot views. They're slacking. Slacker. Yeah, I don't know who it is, but yeah, I'm sure your Wi-Fi would be good over there. Last trip I went to Costa Rica, even their internet was way better at the hotel. I streamed off it and everything. So yeah, I can't do a million views. So let's see how we're gonna be able to get that pullback. Again, we just gotta hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. I'll be interested to see, do we get any turnarounds in any of these minus development areas of this profile? So next day for you now in 3 hours. I still plan to do some London session streams at some point. I want to get some revenge on London. Every attempt I've ever made, I made 3 attempts at London. The first one lasted a day or two. Second attempt lasted about a week. This back all when I had a full-time job still. And the third time, it was a good 1 to 3 months. It just wasn't worth it, man. I was wore out and I did not make more money. Most days I left, I was break even, up a little bit, down a little bit. When I say a little bit, I'm talking $100. $200 would have been amazing back then, but I'd be up or down $100 normally. And I'd be tired all day long. So now that I can just trade London a little bit, go take a little nap and come back trade New York. So. Oh, nice. Surf trip there in a few months. Hey, so what kind of sharks do they have there? It's always my first. I do like this candle on the 5 minute for a short. I'm not going to take it, but I do like this 5 minute. Nice wick on that candle. See if we get down this zone. Just got to highlight this out real quick. All right, so down here's where that zone is off the profile, the minus development area. Yeah, no 4-5 suit. Yeah, hope no sharks. Yeah, that's not fun. Yeah, we're back below the opening price. All right, do we get a little bounce from this zone? I'm gonna watch it. It looks like we're gonna turn around this zone. I might take a little pop at it. Maybe. If not, what I'll do is I'll look at the next zone down below us. Make this one a little bit larger. And let me go ahead and draw out the third zone too. So if we just blow right through the zone, I do like that we're pretty far stretched away from the EMAs at the moment. Only thing we need is to get to where we're short term where we're sold, and we'll be good. Come on. Yeah, I don't know. I've never used them. That's a whole lot of effort. Whole lot of effort. I'm trying to get a little pop here. Not much. Why not get more? Hold on, I'm gonna try to get more. I move my stop right here in the money. Dang it. All right, got me. I was gonna just try to trail my stop up, but got me. So we got a little reaction off that minus development area. And look, where the minus development area was, look, you can see the volume started to build out the profile right there. So a little double bottom action now too. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Love to see a double top. See, I want to see a big old pop. Like last night, I was hoping for a pop so I could short it. So I had the short thesis part right. We just never got the pop and caused me a lot of fight in the markets. I had a couple really big trades in New York session today, but I had a lot of paper cut losses too. I had one trade I made $2 grand on. 2 more trades I made over 1,000 on. And I had a boatload of paper cuts. Gosh darn it. If we just run all the way up, I'm going to be upset. This is why I hate moving my stop too soon. I want to see this go down to the next zone. So the next zone's all the way down here. Somewhere about 537 to 527. Is what I'm hoping for, but we'll wait and see. VWAP touch coming. Yeah, so where is VWAP on the 1 minute? Yeah, VWAP's just below, Raj. Just below or right at the bottom of that second zone right here. You can see the zones on the 1 minute. Now I can get rid of this upper zone right here. I'm going to leave it on, just see if we bounce out of it or not. But we've kind of filled in that minus development area. So from a fib standpoint, what do we have? 38% retracements in the middle of that second zone. The short 5 MQs to VWAP. Let's get it. I'm not long, so I can root for your trade. Love the left chart. Nice. Yeah, dollars, pink zones. All right, there we go. Apple's sports equipment deep. All right, we overthrew the zone a little bit, trying to get back in it. Actually, we did. We got back above it. Yeah, we actually got movement tonight. You know, last week and a day or two, it's been slow in Asia. Tonight's zinging around a lot better, more gooder. I really want to see it flush down a little bit lower. Help out Apple and his trade and get down to his zone so I can take the next swing at it. Oh man. Nice. Good deal with that. Yeah, Japan Open went down pretty good. Speaking of Japan, where are we at now? Still down 1,500. Cosby down 347. Both look like they're trying to firm up a little bit. But we'll see. I think if the Kospi and the Nikkei do firm up, it'll probably be good for the NASDAQ. But we'll see. Yeah, red news and a beat. That's what makes news trading so hard. You can know the number to the T. You don't know how the market's going to react to it, though. So what is perceived, what we would think would be a good number, the market could still sell it off. Gold fade trade is working. Nice. Hey, Raj, you long on that? Are you targeting the VWAP? Oh, you can't take it? All right. All right, so we built out that profile pretty decent where we had this zone. I'm going to go ahead and remove that zone off my chart. I can see we're clearly breaking down through it. Let's watch that next zone down here. As the market gets down there, do we get any type of buying opportunity? Now, if we get down in this zone, we get a quick flush down here, and we're stretched away from the EMAs, I'm probably going to take a swing at it. So we'll see. 10 points before TP. I don't know if he's in here, but Paul Rodriguez, he has, you know, market gets 1 to 2 ticks away from it and then turns from him. So it gets a little bit closer. This says boop, gives him the middle finger. Come on. Come on. Get on down there. You can do it. I have faith in you. So. There we go. Took a little swing. Look, we came into that zone. Stretched away from the EMAs. I would have liked it more if we were oversold too, but I'll just take a quick $100 if it gives it to me. Maybe. Covered half. Nice. So we can get a little bit more out of it. If it'll go sideways here and then start to break out this area, I'll move this up and just play trail of stop loss game. Ooh, I trailed a little bit too tight. Trailed a little bit too tight and they got me. That's fine. Trailed it a little bit too tight. That's fine. I'll still take it. So now both the zones that we drew out on that profile, we got interaction. The first one, moved my stop a little bit too early, ended up break even. And then that trade, just decent little trade. Now the next zone that we have, if we start breaking this, is going to be down here at 499 to about 494. So now let's see if we can make it down there. Now what I do like about that one, look, the 61.8 level is right there in the middle of that zone. I likes it. I likes it a lot. So let's see if the market agrees with me. Will it agree? Maybe, maybe not. Dollars already sitting there. Report cards in. Let's go see. Let's go checky, checky, checky. I need to start being more like dollars. Holy smokes. Let's see this. Not taking a whole bunch of trades. I like it. Up 516. 100% win-loss ratio. Average winning trade, 129. What's the largest? Largest, 144. Nice. Good deal. Nice, nice, nice. I likes it. Oh, man. I looked over for a minute. I was like, we're in the zone. I didn't realize it was still that second zone. Oh, man. Actually, if you look right here, look. I'm going to zoom this up a little bit. Look what we have right here. As we came down, yeah, I'm going to draw. I don't know how to do that. Vertical. So if we put right here on that swing point, dang it, doesn't go all the way through. I thought it'd go all the way through the chart. Oh, well. Maybe we just do this. All right, look down here. Look at the delta. As we're coming down here, look, that last swing low. Look how low the delta was, even though price went down lower. It wasn't a bad little opportunity, which I did not take, but still good to spot them. And Q almost hit VWAP. Yeah, it did. Came very close. What about ES? ES did hit the VWAP. So we have all four of the indices in the red. Oil's up 84 cents. Right now, I'm in a wait and see. Can we make it down to the next zone? Or is this going to be the zone we reject up and out of? Hey, if we do reject right here, this could then start to set up an ABC pattern on the way up. Actually, I'm going to draw this out right now in the 5-minute. Assuming that low holds and we can break that swing point, we have a target up here at 674. And where's that coming to play at in terms of... Wow, that'll be close. It's a lot closer to value area high than it is to the point of control. Let's do something real quick. Hey, I'm going to swing some micros on this. I just do 2 micros on this. I'm actually going to... I'm going to play this from here to up here. I'm gonna try to make this 100-point trade. So I threw 2 micros on this play to see if I can get involved in this. So we start making it up here. That's gonna be my ultimate target with the micros. In the meantime, I'm gonna look for scalps over here on the Renko chart to continue to play in that direction. We'll see how it pans out for me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push, 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 push. The micros right now are already up 50 bucks, 52. They're ripping it. These are ripping it. Let's just see, are the overseas markets following suit? I like to see them all correlated, trying to move up. Yeah, potential little ABC pattern up on the Nikkei. Kospi has a nice little push up trying to... Actually, Kospi did get into that gap. Oh, what's the thumbnail? Hey, that's how I'm hanging out with you guys. I'm in my bed. Just trading on the laptop. Laptop life. Nice. Hey, good job on that. Good deal. 1K. Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. All right, there we go. Pushing it. Hey, so those micros I put on, yeah, they're up just right there at 100 bucks. There we go. Just hit 100 again. So again, I'm going to try to take this. I'm going to probably look for 100 points on these M and Qs. Is what, Jesse? I must have missed it. Yeah, looking for a laptop life. Hey, Jesse, I missed it. What are you talking about? Is what a dig at you. Oh, that's, oh no. It's not. It's not. It's not. Hey, it didn't really come out the way I was hoping. I wanted to have it like I'm underneath the covers laptop up here, but I couldn't get the way I wanted it. So I settled for the way it is. No, it wasn't a dig at you at all. That is funny though. So we need some more pushes. So we have this potential ABC pattern. Actually, we do. Hey, the ABC pattern is validated. We broke that swing point. So, hey, the invalidation point where we know this is a busted pattern, hands down, is going to be 530. 29,530, the pattern's busted. All right, you can see right here, we're trying to push session highs. So we had I had the right idea tonight. Let's just hope I can stay with a decent execution on it. So we'll see. Let's see. Yeah, Uncle Bot's with us tonight. He's a little bit late though. He's slacking. He's a little bit late to the party, Jesse. So. All right, here's the 1 minute. You can see we're coming up near the VWAP bands right here on the NASDAQ. So we got to be careful up here. How do that knock calls? Come on, Bookmap? Or something else? Ooh-wee. Look at these micros go. Up 132 on 2 micros. Jeez Louise. Nice. 15 hundo. Let's get it. Wait from summer volume. That's coming to an end pretty soon. Yeah, we're trying to bounce. We'll see how long the bounce lives. Let's go look over here on the ES. There's a 38% retracement on the ES, 77.49, like we said earlier. We have today's point of control at 77.23. 618. And we have a little bit right here around 600. A little bit of liquidity here at 600. 96 contracts. But then above that, we have 32 contracts around 654, 655. And the books are just really thin. Now down below us, we have at 500, we have 100 contracts. But working on bar number 9. Yep, we'll see if we get it. Hey, BK, I still don't think I want to take the 9 count, though. I think I want to wait. Only because we have this pattern on the 5-minute chart, the ABC pattern. I think I'd rather go in that direction. And the fact that we bounced right out of our minus development area on the profile, I'm liking it. So. Yeah, we have FOMC meeting minutes. So it's not the actual FOMC statement. So usually it's just a little blip. I have seen a few in the past that got it rocking and rolling, but usually it's a non-event. It's a little blip and then that's it. Could be a blip up, could be a blip down. But majority of the time doesn't have a huge impact. Now we did get that 9 count. As I see it up there, I'm like, ooh, maybe I should smack it, but I'm not going to. Not going to. I don't have to chase every single move. Yeah, Jackson Hole will probably be a mover. I still remember when Jay Powell, one of the Jackson Holes of Jay Powell, and he got that market cooked. Trying to pull back here a little bit off that 9 count. That's pretty thin. I thought it would be. Yeah, it's a week away. So I might look for another push. Dang it. FOMO'd in that like no other. Golly, there's a FOMO. Oh, it was one heck of a FOMO entry. I was thinking about getting in, thinking about getting in. I hit the button, I got slipped on the entry. But you know, the same chart on Trading. What do you mean by the same chart? You have volume profile. You can't get these. The Ninja only works on Ninja Trader, as far as I know. Yeah, the nuke news. Come on, don't get me. Just push up, take out the session high right here. Give me a chance to start trailing my stop. I think it's around 76 BK. I'll look here in just a moment. Yeah, he's saving up his tweets for tomorrow. I got stopped out of that one. ABK, ABC targets at 674. 674. So I'll take another swing at this. How weird it is. Hey, not a problem. You see the 50 EMA is starting to get a little weak here. We're just gonna rip it. Sons of guns. Hesitated on the entry again. Hesitated again. We got a little W right here. I'm getting way up here. Idiot. So. Like I said, 50 EMA is looking like it's weakening here a little bit. I still pounced on it. Let's go double check Nikkei real quick. Nikkei's now 13. Kospi's still holding up a little bit better on its trying to get it back move. Nikkei, still think Nikkei might want to go up a little bit higher. We're up to 615. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, long again. Let's see. There we go. There we goes. It was there we go. Gosh darn it. Man, it went up so effortlessly. It went flying right up just to come right back down. I didn't want to see the back down part. I was hoping it was going to squeeze up here a little bit more. I'm going to slowly get my paper cuts going again. I don't like this 5-minute candle right here either. I don't like the way that 5-minute candle is forming. That's not looking good for me. Closed it. Closed it. Dang it. Joker, did I close that out and it wouldn't have stopped? Wouldn't have stopped me out. I closed it out early. It would not have stopped me yet. I do think it's going to go. I like the way that 5-minute chart looks. I do think it's going to try to go, but. DK trying to pull back a little bit more. What time is it? Oh, wow. So what, we have 13 minutes until the HSI opens up. All right, let's see. I'll get one more shot. I say one more. Let's be honest. I'm probably willing to give it more than one more shot. Really need this to go up. I need the HSI. See if they got any early prints. Not much. Oh, image for the video. I like trading all sessions. The only session I have disliked is London. I look at the charts in hindsight, it looks easy, but I struggle with it every time I trade it. That's why I think I want to try to stream it and see if we can enact some revenge on it. The years it's tortured me. I do think part of it was I was working a full-time job and it really wasn't a good sleep schedule I had. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, I hit close probably at the same time it just stopped me out. It put me in a naked position. We're coming right back to opening price. All right, so let's hold up a little bit. Let's calm down a little bit before I get any more swings at it. Still think it wants to go up there. Still think it wants to go up there. Got a clear VWAP. Let's see where VWAP's at. Yeah, VWAP's. I like that. I like that 4-hour candle we're forming. The 4-hour candle looks pretty darn good. Enough to get me sucked in again. Holy crap. Trying to move this out of the way. Seeing that wick, I was like, oh my, I got to get this. Jeez. Jeez Louise. All right, took one off. Come on up a little bit more. Please. Come on. Come on. Need a little bit more. They lost them. Hey, at least you're only locked out for the day. We're going to be giving 2 accounts away tonight, so. Oh, the bot decided to go ahead and hit the likes as well. Oh, boy. Hey, Captain, what's up? Let's go up there and hit my target, please. Please and thank you. We'll see if you're still on here when we do the giveaway. There was somebody in this morning's stream says, pick me, you never pick me. I went back and looked at comments. That was the only video they've ever left, or the only stream they've ever left a comment on. It was just the code. So I'm like, you don't always try to get in. I'm not going to regret holding this. Try not for that little bit bigger move. Give a little bit leeway to work its way up. Hey, Tomic, remember my story about $400 a day? Oh man. Day one, quit my job. That was the bare minimum I had to make to keep the lights on. And yeah. It was up 360, 370 bucks around lunchtime or so. I had a doctor's appointment around 4. Started DCing into the trade, trying to force things. Yeah, I walked away $900 and something down on the day. Day one. That next day was that was the scariest I've been to place to trade in a long time. Our biggest fear was being realized. And I was like, does having more time going to make me not trade as well? Hey, Frank, in the futures markets, stops will work. In stocks, no. So stocks, it will not. Because of low liquidity. So slippage would be horrendous. But in the futures markets, they do. Come on, just go. Push it. Real good. Again, I'm still in the micros looking for that ABC target on the way up we're talking about. So let's see, do we get it? Do we get it? I sure hope so. Yeah, 650. Hey, TJ, I'm hoping 670-ish. I'll get out my micros, probably 660 something is what I'm hoping for, but 670 will 674, I think, completes the ABC pattern. Man, we're close, actually. Hey, we're close to those deviation bands, actually. Might be pushing my luck on this. It's not what I wanted. Just go to trade and let it run. Yeah, Hang Seng's about to open here in about 5 minutes. Come on, push back up. Again, we do have the regression channel still sloping up, but lower regression is going to be around 568. Ooh, that'd be enough to stop me out if we make it all the way down there. So hopefully we don't make it all the way down there. Please, please don't get down there. You can do it. Push a little bit more. Push a lot more. Kind of regretting I didn't close it out up there. Had the good move. It would have been almost $600 trade. Had I closed it up there. Instead, it's going to end up being roughly a break-even trade. Ish. Break even to plus $100 ish. Depending on when I close it. Yeah, SMH was getting whacked. Pretty good. Let's go check real quick. Yeah, Kospi trying to roll back over. DK's back down 1,500. HSI looks like it may open up down a little bit. So we'll see. See, I should have got out of there, and if I still liked it down here, I could have got back in. Hindsight. Yep, NASDAQ. Semiconductors do affect the NASDAQ quite a bit. Push it, please. And thank you. All right, now I see it needs to see a big rip. All the way up. We need sound effects and everything. Move my target up a little bit. Just in case. Let's thank you out. Maybe. So I feel like it's gonna screw me over. So ES is up 1 point. NASDAQ's up 5.25. Russell down 0.6. Dow's down 21. We have all the overseas markets down at the moment too. HSI is going to open up here in about 2 minutes. A little bit less. Yeah, I couldn't find my break even. So it's like, oh, we got to get a stop. We're going to find that stop. We know he's got one. We got to go get it. I'm like, please, no, don't get me. Let's go. Just push it. Like to hear a little chirping going on. Yeah, 2,700. Oh man, that's a great night. That is a great night. Put you in a good spot for tomorrow. Tomorrow you can sit back and wait for the trades to come to you. You don't have to force it. All right, let's see. We're gonna break out that. We gonna break that swing or what? Come on, get on up there. All right, Raphael, I appreciate that. Come on, just go. Yeah, Profit Room Space has a lot of good deals going on right now. Lots and lots and lots. I need it just a pew. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, they got a lot of good deals too. Like Take Profit Trader, 50% off. Passed in 3 days now. Whew. Luce has 40% off their daily accounts. Daily payouts. My Fund of Futures, Rapid EOD accounts, pretty awesome. And if you use my code today, you can get into their, I forget what it's called now. I didn't see the email until right before we came on stream. Yeah, it was a little bit before stream. Dang it, where'd it go? Went to my stupid promotions folder. Disappeared now. That's great. Yeah, TPT is 2 days quicker than it was before, which 5 days didn't really bother me. I mean, it gives you time to slow down the pace a little bit, but I know a lot of people were frustrated with 5 days. But yeah, remember, sometimes speed kills. Speed is an account killer. Can be. Make it really quick. You'll hurry up and lose it just as fast. And shoulders pattern? Yeah, maybe. If it is, yeah, right upward sloping shoulder. Makes me think that the Nikkei and stuff coming back down. HSI should be open too. Let's go look at that real quick. Yeah, HSI gap down 126. Yeah, they're gonna get me. All right, hey, what's going on here? Where's the stop loss at? Where's that joker hiding it? I think they're gonna get me though. Yeah, we might go down a lot more. I'm hoping for a bounce up so we can set up a ABC pattern to take us down even lower. Almost just hit the close button. Probably should have saved a couple ticks. All right, got me. That stinks. I was up 300, so I'd be up $500 more right now if it wasn't for that. But I would have got out when I was up there. Oh well. Let's go back and look at the 5-minute chart real quick. So target 1 made money, target 2 lost money. So it's probably barely made a little bit, maybe 70 bucks. Short term coming into being oversold. Pretty good down candle over here on the 5-minute. But I dare try to swing at that. Gonna break the lows? We might. Gonna break the lows. What are they doing? Cosby's back down a little bit more, 331. Nikkei's back down 15 hundo. HSI is like, A 4-hour candle closes here. What, another 10 o'clock? Yeah, I like the wick on that candle. I like it a lot. Now I've never heard of them. Lark Funding. Never heard of them. Never, ever, ever. I wonder if we're going to come down to that VWAP right there. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, we do have a little bit of liquidity down here. 29,500. Let's see. Yes, we have a little bit of liquidity as well. A little bit. 7702. I end up swinging again on the NASDAQ. We'll see if it's going to eat my lunch again. It might. Coming to being short-term oversold. Came right back to the opening price. See if we can get a bounce. Maybe. Please. Hopefully go back to 600. That'd be nice. I don't know. Maybe the easy long trades are over with now. Yeah, I'm long the NQ again. Kind of playing off that oversold area. See the green background? Tell me we're oversold. Brave. Nah, brave, dumb. Take your pick. I go with the D one. D is in dog. We saw the regression channel sloping up for the time being. Does that mean it's going to stay like that? ES still sloping up. Yes, almost hit the VWAP. NASDAQ did not. If we get on the VWAP, that's going to suck for this trade. But if we don't. I took one off and I moved my stop in the money. Let's see if we can keep on riding it up. Dog days of summer. Yeah. Hey, Mike, I'll tell you what really sucked. Back when the VIX was at like 9. Man, was that 2015, 16? I can't remember what year. Man, that was horrible. I move my stop up. I want to make sure I at least secure something out of this. All right, got something out of it. I'll watch it rip. You sorry piece of crap. I'm still long the micros. Micros are up $100. Trying to go for the ABC pattern off the 5-minute chart we mapped out a little while ago. Target's all the way up here at 29,674. I'm hoping to get out around 60-ish. Is what I'm thinking. That would be about $400 trade if it hits. It's a big if still. So October through February. I've had some really good Octobers. I've had some really bad Octobers. Really bad. Same thing with January. I've had some really good Januaries and I've had some really bad Januaries. I really hate that. Starting off the year on the wrong note. Not fun. Are they going to push it? $29,614. Let's see if we get up there. J Love's not too bad. Some wins, some losses. I had a couple really decent trades. I've had a lot of decent amount of paper cuts too. Really want to see us go up there and hit that ABC target. So we'll see. Should have told the boss man, hey, I'm busy working. Leave me alone. All right, right back to opening price. Spoofing on Bookmap. I haven't really seen it. I haven't seen the big spoofing that you're talking about, Steve. Hmm. I don't see it. I see like 14 contracts. I only see like 14 contracts. Like, I don't see it. HSI is trying to come back. Nikkei's not, though. Neither Kospi. So HSI had me excited. I looked over at the Nikkei. I'm like, not buying it yet. What if we're going to flip this regression channel back down? We got about 17 minutes till this candle closes. Big wick on the bottom of it on the NASDAQ. S&P, we have a wick too, but NASDAQ just looks a lot better. My personal opinion. But. All right, I'm going to get long again. It's not a good fill that got me. It did not give me a good fill there. Yeah, so I usually look for big orders there, dollars. Big orders. And they flash them up there, but I haven't been seeing that. Just a couple contracts I don't really worry about it too much. Oof. Let's get it. Please and thank you. Get me excited on this straight move and then yank it right back. That's weird. Come on, just push it. Yeah, hopefully I'm not being greedy with it. Hopefully I'm not being greedy. Yeah, 2 contracts. When I'm not on stream, I usually trade 2, 4 on a pretty regular basis. Things are going bad, I might get up to 10, but try to keep the contracts light, reduce the stress on stream. And find myself looking for bigger moves lately and wanting to trade a little bit bigger, so it's probably gonna bite me in the butt at some point. Hey Paul, what's up? Just 10K, Paul, for day trading margins. 10K. Yeah. It's been my problem. I've been looking for bigger moves lately. Starts going, then comes back on me. It's like, dang it. So, well, I can't see the VIX right now, Paul. It's not moving. The VIX ain't moving. I mean, you look at VIX futures, but I like to look at the actual index better, personally, but. But they're going to roll this. They might roll this over and try to make it back down the VWAP. That's going to suck. It's gone way up. Like how much? There we go. Let's go. Come on. Push it more. Push it. Please and thank you. They need to get it screaming to the upside. Gosh, darn it. Now we're just stuck in this little chop back and forth. You see right here on the 1 minute, we got a lot of chop right here. Now, does it chop the break and go down and take out VWAP? Maybe. I'm hoping it's going to chop the breakout to go back up, but I don't know. Hey, Bobo, what's up? Come on, go, go. Go, go, go. I don't like this. We got to break this. If we look, clearly making lower highs. We got to break that. We got to break that if we're going to go higher. Hunter takes away. I had a 100-point trade today on the NQ. Had a couple, I think I had 2 trades over 50 points. And a bunch of paper cuts for losses. Lots and lots. What's still on? You guys try and turn around? Let's go look. Kind of that chop zone with the ES too. HSI is trying to come back up. Nikkei is going lower. All right, what's going on there? Yeah, Nikkei is trying to go back down. Kospi trying to come back down as well. So Nikkei is giving me a little bit of a hard time in this trade. It's not helping my trade out whatsoever. So we got VWAP down here a little bit lower still. On the ES, we're dancing around VWAP. On the NQ, we're a little bit ways away. Which that doesn't give me the warm fuzzies. I know as soon as I exit the trade, it'll rip. If I stay in it, we're going to dip down and stop me out. Yeah, can you take me higher? Let's go. That'd be good. Yeah, I'm worried though, Paul, they're going to go down and smash my stops before they run it. That's what I'm worried about. That exact thing. They stop me out and then they rip it. Come on, break it. Come on. Get it. Please and thank you. Trying to go. They're trying. I don't like how flat this regression channel has become. Yes, regression channel is already sloping down. I'm not a fan of that. I don't think they're gonna get me. I mean, age of the volume's always late. Almost always. Come on. Go up. Hey. Now they're playing my jam. Let's get it. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. We are going to be giving away 2 Take Profit Trader accounts tonight. Darn it. Hey, look, the swings are getting wider too. The up and downs, they're getting bigger and bigger. We're going up a little bit higher each time, but this one technically went a little bit lower too. The stocks are not stonking right now. Yeah, we got the barcode happening for sure. Really. Come on. We want to target up a little bit more. We did 1 trade tonight on the funded account. That's good, Paul. Good job. Come on, let's get it. Watching this poof right back down. Let's see if the Nikkei is trying to participate. A little bit, little green candles trying to form. Kospi, yeah, small green as well. HSI starts going back down. Oh boy. Fade the scam candles. Yeah. I mean, it usually works. Usually. Not always, though. Depends on what the catalyst is behind that caused that move. I can't believe it's already 10 o'clock. Holy smokes. 10 o'clock, and I'm still stuck in this trade wanting to go up. Stupid market. I hope it bounces up higher. No bouncing down, only higher. I really like to take this target, move it up even higher. But in the meantime, hurry up and wait. Don't like that. Don't like that. Boo. I look forward to European time zone. We had 2 of them, Paul. So each duck race, we've been given 2 winners. So I'm trying to remember who won. I can't remember. I've had too many giveaways. I've done a couple giveaways through the email list too. So it's hard for me to keep track of everything. It's been a hot mess. I like it when we get into a trade, it just goes instantly in our direction. No heat, just. Hey, Paul, I got to tell you work. Hey, they had to reschedule the meeting. You got things to do. So. Yeah, I wish there was a rule. Every trade you get in has to go big in your favor instantly. An 8-hour hold. I hate when you're stuck in a trade. You're waiting. Then 4 hours go by. Then you get stopped out. Oh, man. I hate that. It's like, I just wasted all that friggin' time. You stupid market. This will be a good trade if it goes up there and hits my targets. Question is it going to make it up there? Who's memes for that? Woof. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're trying. NASDAQ is trying. We do got the regression channel now sloping down though. So we're at the get above the upper channel and start trying to turn this back the other way. Yeah, CL's up 94 cents. I'll show you a look at that real quick. I want to look at it, but let's look. All right, HSI is trying to get up there. Yeah, crude oil is almost up here at session highs. HSI is only down 67. Nikkei's trying to go back down. Kospi's trying to go back down. NASDAQ's going back down. You stupid market. Yep. Hey, Xing Bean, I've been there many times. Many nights. Hey, Tris, good night. I'm going to have to get out of this. Oh, Mark is like, oh, now you want to get out. Okay, I got you. Closed it. Stupid market. Stupid market. All right. I wanted the bigger move. It did not happen. Too bad. Slightly wider barcode. Yeah, he is still kind of stuck in its low range. So do we have any other news tomorrow? So we know we have the minutes. Is there anything in Europe? Lagarde speaks twice. 3 a.m. and 6:15. Then we have the Fed minutes. We have crude oil inventory numbers tomorrow at 10:30 as well, but nothing really exciting tomorrow. You know, like what the ES is doing? I like how slow the market got. So we had some movement to start the night off and then just went blah. I'm going to try to come down that VWAP. That's 10. 10:03 now. Bond auction is at 101. Bond auction. Hey, Finite, what's up? I mean, believe it or not, the night will be just as long as it was the previous night and the previous night before that. NQ needs to drop. I want the NQ to pop here a little bit. Let's go. I want to see something real quick. What chart was that on? Dang it. Over here in the 5 minute. Wait, where's that invalidation point? 5:30. We got plenty of time. Plenty of room. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, add another one to it. Might end up going green to red here. Fantastic. A little bit of a dud here at the moment. So I've been up pretty decent tonight. Watch my profits wash away. Now I got to fight to get them back. I got to fight to get them back. And we're going to have a problem as long as the Nikkei will not go back up. Nikkei's down 1677. Yeah, this might be, we might end up going to lower. I might want to rethink this idea. So the ABC target gets busted at what point? 5:30. We're at 5:57. I did see us turn and start trying to go back up before I start going long again. I mean, I like the short too, but the fact that we were down all night last night and then down all day today. Still trying to go down here. Still trying to go down. Bearish momentum. So I'm trying to see now is, are we going to breach that 530? Do we breach the 530? Here's the VWAP I was worried about testing. Yes, rolling over as well. HSI trying to roll back over. I'm going to find myself wanting to go long. Let's see if I can find this. Let's see. I think Jesse said he wants to come hang out with us. And let me. Let me get it pulled up. Oh, I was muted when I said, here's Jesse. Only you heard it, so. So what are we doing, long or short tonight? Ah! All right, now you guys can hear Jesse. Here's Jesse. Well, I jacked it all up. I was having a good night, and I just jacked it up. Trade a little bit too big. I don't know why I keep trying to trade more bigger contracts, more than one. It's like I want the big trades now. I can't shake it for. Oh man. Hey, did you guys hear all the trade secrets that Jesse and I just talked about? Woo. It was classified, so if you guys heard, hope you guys could read Jesse's lips through the microphone vibrations that you couldn't hear.
Feel the vibrations like Marky Mark.
Oh, geez. Forgot about Marky Mark.
So, what's up, guys? Hey, this is a nice little pullback, but I do have a little point of interest down here at 523.
Why do you gotta say that?
And according to my stats, it's got a 62.5% chance of hitting. I think I'll take that chance. Let's see. I'm short. We'll see. Darn it. No.
Well, hey, we do have the Nikkei. Nikkei is going back down, too.
Is it?
Nikkei is going down. Kospi's going back down. HSI is trying to come back, though. HSI is trying to come up and fill that gap. So.
That might work against me here.
Maybe. I mean, Kospi and Nikkei are doing good for you. HSI is like, I'm going to buck the trend. Forget what the other ones want to do.
Ooh, there we go.
You're almost at your target. Hey, we're about at the point to invalidate the ABC pattern I was looking for.
Yeah, if it takes out that swing low right there, it's done.
530. 530.
Yep, I see it.
Bitcoin's down a little bit. What's Bitcoin look like on daily?
I don't like this little bounce. That was short-lived. Anyways, let me get back to the chat. What's up, Leo? Elevated Life. Good to see you guys. Coop. Shimya. If I missed you, hello. Oh, what's up, Eric? Spaces, String Bean. String Bean. I'm a String Bean trader too, man. I'm like 6'5", 185.
You guys are abnormally tall. That's why he's telling everyone when I was a kid. The man you're short is like, really? I think you're abnormally tall. I'm like normal.
What's up, Husi, JC? Good to see you guys. Blink Stocks Pro says, Jesse, buy any accounts lately? No, I took a break today, actually. I'm still a little friggin' butthurt over getting blown up, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do about that. I'm not happy with the market, not happy with myself. It's overall negativity over here, so I'm going to try to keep it to myself tonight.
I love how you say your butt hurt from the blow up. Not, hey, I'm butt hurt for the way I've been trading. But
yeah, well, it's a mix of everything.
love it.
So, what's up, Adam, Frank? Good to see you guys. Roach, good to see you. Pamela in the house. Alley Cat.
Dollars should be going down. It is. Dollars going down. Our markets are still having a hard time.
They're trying to get there. I'm still in this short. 523 is my target. What's up, Finite? Frank got sliced and diced. Yeah, Frank, I did the Mike tells me all the time, don't do that. Don't do that. It builds bad habits. Well, I was throwing around 20, 50 contracts on my sim account this morning.
That's bad.
Trying to get even with the market, and I got smoked.
Bad.
I think I lost about $50,000 of sim money.
50?
Yeah.
Wow. You couldn't DCA your way out of it?
No, I stopped doing that. Once it was clear that I was wrong and I was like down 50K, I was like, there ain't no DCAing out of this.
No, hey, once I realized I was wrong, I was down about 20 ticks. Once I was down about 50K, I realized I'm not coming back.
Yeah, it ain't coming back. It was just down, 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 down. And I said, so then I just closed the trade and reset the sim account.
I mean, that is the beauty about sim accounts.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Hit the reset button.
The problem is, though, it's like you talk about all the time. Like, it builds bad habits.
It does.
You know?
The next thing you know, you'll be trying to do it in your live account. Bam, 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 bam. You're like, I don't understand why I'm doing it. Like, so that's what you keep practicing.
Uh-huh. What's up, Big Daddy? Big Daddy cool. Finally, $100, 2 hours. Hey, that's $50 an hour. Not bad. Kelvin says, love both of y'all. You too, bro. Legends Trading has a sale, $49.
I'm going long.
Okay, Elite.
I'm long.
Long? No activation fee, end of day drawdown, pretty good deal. Yeah, sounds like it.
How come I can't see that chat? Oh, I see up there. It's up higher than mine.
Yeah, I'm a little behind. I'm trying to catch up here. I'm watching my trade too. I should have taken it. Man, it got almost to my target too. So the target was 523 and it got to 525.75.
So the time I don't take 2 contracts is going to work.
Those jokers.
That's what I'm saying. It's not fair.
Call the broker and ask for a reset. Tom says, let's start a GoFundMe. No, I'm good. I got money. I just don't know how I want to spend it yet.
Hey, the brokers will allow you to reset your account. They have reset fees. If you lose 2K, you just got to give them 2K.
Yeah, it's a pretty big.
Whatever you lose, whatever you lost.
Hey, that's a TPT Pro reset right there.
Hey, it's worth. Hey, if you lost 100 grand, it's 100 grand to reset.
Yeah.
So.
Ooh, here we go. They're giving it to me, baby. Let's go. 523. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, I love how you just rooted for my trade to get stopped out.
Sorry, dude. Well, I'm in a short. What can I say? There we go. Target filled.
I'll just give you a hard time.
But it didn't say target filled. Why didn't I hear that? Huh. Maybe my ninja's messed up or something. I don't know.
I do like the Apex how you can buy 5 at a time now.
Yeah,
they're
that's
doing
sweet.
1 at a time. Oh, that's a pain in the butt. Now you can do 5, right? 5, boop. I think that's way more gooder.
Oh.
What?
Trump's talking about Canada tariffs. Also, the pipeline, the XL pipeline revived from the grave.
Oh. Half of Canada's tariffs paused for 3 days.
I wonder why he did that. I wonder, probably has something to do with that pipeline, maybe. Does that go from Canada? Anybody know about the Keystone?
Yeah, I think it goes from Canada.
Does that come through Canada?
I think so.
I bet you they're trying to make a deal. Frank shorted with me. Did you get it, Frank? Yeah, it hit my target.
Yeah, just keep celebrating, guys. I got stopped out.
Dude. Sorry.
I'm not mad. I'm just giving you a hard time. I don't get mad. It's just a trade. Just a trade.
Everybody's confirming yes, it's from Canada. Okay, well that's the deal. That's what's going on. All right. Nice trade, Frank. Good job. I mean, if I see a statistic that says anything above 60%, I'm taking it. That one was 62.5. So.
Well, how's that exciting? You need to take the ones that are like 5%.
Well, seeing as most good trades are like, I don't know, a lot of people that I know that are profitable traders, they have like a 40% win rate. So if I can get 62.5, I'm all over that.
Hey, Bob, what's up?
Hey, Bob, what's up?
But you can't have a 40% win-loss ratio and, risk $2 to make one. You have to make more than what you're...
Yeah. I mean, that was a pretty good one. They almost stopped me out on that little rip, but they didn't quite get me.
Oh, they got me. Don't worry about
it. That trade for me was a 3-to-1. Let me look. Hold on. Control E. Oh, man, they almost got me. Woo! I put my stop above that bar right there. Oh, man. It missed my stop by a tick. And, yeah, that was a 3-to-1.
Man, I started off right off the stream. First trade was a loser. Second trade, big win. Second trade was a decent winner. Then it kind of got ugly after that.
You got this.
Oh, it's all right. I'm not mad yet.
Yet. I kind of like how it went right to my target, put the brakes on. Like I called that level pretty well.
I'd like it if it would just run right to my targets.
Hey, I'm looking over at your charts. It looks like that was pretty much kind of the bottom of your purple area. It overran it a little bit, but whatever that zone is.
Actually came off a volume profile.
Ah.
I need this thing to run. Run, Forrest, run.
What's up, Crawford? Gleb, good to see you.
Come on. Actually, this trade hits my target.
Gomi bombs, yeah. Mike's good at that. Really good at that. Way better than me. Taking little hits, little stops. But man, when you get a winner,
right now,
it overcomes those stops easily.
I'm up 1,100.
That's the trick. Can you peel one off, please, dude?
Don't tell me to do it. I'll fight it. You need to say, hold it. I mean, he wants me to hold it? All right, I'll get out.
It's going to the high. It's going to the high, Mike. Hold it.
Oh, I need to move my targets up. Okay, targets up. I just want a little bit more.
Even Raj says take it. He said it twice.
Take one off.
Gleb says take one off. Looks about.
I was hoping we hit the opening price right here.
This looks to be about a 38% retracement of that.
Well, hey, look right over here on this chart, right where we came to. See it after the fact. I didn't see it during.
Yeah, but whatever that white line is about to maybe bounce off of that. Is that VWAP?
Yes, VWAP.
Let's see if it holds VWAP. If it holds VWAP, you're good, man. Let's see.
Not really holding. Maybe. Are we trading London tonight? I want to stream. We're going to stream London. We're going to see if I can actually defeat it. I've always done, I want to say always, but I just never been able to successfully.
Hey, they're stacking the
Make it
order
worthwhile.
books. Velocity's picking up. Dude, you're good. Can you please take one off now? Please.
You said add one?
Ay, 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 ay.
That's what you said, right? Add two. Take one off. Bam, bam. All right, I got 4. Which one do you want me to take off now? I just want to see the opening price. We get the opening price, I'll peel one off. Maybe. I'm thinking I will. Come on. I'll take one off. Took one off.
Good.
Who am I stopping the money?
Nice.
That might put me back at session highs, actually. Which would be
I
kind of
think-
funny.
Put that stop at the 200 moving average and just keep riding it.
Yeah. I don't want to get stopped out.
You'd rather give it all back.
Yeah.
You stopped
All,
out for
all or
break
nothing,
even.
baby. All or nothing. I'm trying to get count session highs. Hey, do not trade your P&L as I'm trying to work on getting session highs in my account.
Yeah, exactly.
And you'll learn why you shouldn't trade your P&L. This is a lesson on why you should not trade your P&L. I'm doing this for educational for the chat. I'm really hoping it just rips.
He's doing this for your entertainment value, folks.
Yeah. So, I mean, it has to be good for a like. Come on.
I'm just waiting to see if Trump says something else here about Canada or the pipeline.
Rosh says, move the stop to 546. Hit the like 100 times.
I say just attach it to that 200 moving average and let
Not
it
doing
go.
Not doing it.
It's gonna do itself.
No, because then it'll do like right here. It'll come down, kiss it, and then rip.
And then get in.
No, I'll be max. I just got stopped out.
No.
I'll be like, look what you just did, Jesse.
You get stopped out for $800. I'd take that stop any day.
No, it won't be $800. It'll be less, way less than what I'm up now.
Well, whatever it is.
I think I made like 600-ish on the first one. So it was up like $1,200 on the $1,200-$1,300 on the trade.
Mr. Big Daddy. Hey, I have the same problem. I was just talking to Mike the other day about that. Like when I'm done trading, I'll kind of push all my big 4 screens are all attached to a rolling cart.
Yeah.
I'll push it off to the side and say, all right, I'm done. I'm good. And then I'll start hearing the sounds and I'll just reach over and pull it back over. Oh, man.
I'd be stopped out right now. So, hey, I could have saved 300 something bucks if I had to stop where you were at.
Well, no, it could come down and stop you out for nothing.
No, I'm saying that would be,
Oh,
it would be
I see
like
what
300 something,
yeah,
almost
yeah, I got
400 where you had to stop at.
Yeah, see. I'm telling you, if we could combine
Hey,
you and me into
I'm
one
doing
trader,
this. I'm doing this for the chat. I'm doing this to help them out. I know I should do it. I should have got out, but this is for you guys. And I want to prove hope is a strategy. I don't care what they say. Because
That's
I'm
true.
hoping this is going to come back. It's getting hot in here. Turn the AC down.
No, we do have VIX is expiring tomorrow, and then we got the SPX expiring on Friday.
Yeah,
So
OPEX.
that's some. We'll see. We'll probably see some craziness, but I don't know.
I got VIX calls. But they're for November.
Hmm.
They didn't really move a lot. Come on, just push it. I probably should have got up there. I really thought we were going to at least hit the opening price right here. Good thing I did not wait to get up here to pull one off. That would have sucked.
I'm seeing buyers stepping in here. I mean, not crazy, but they're trying.
Nikkei's going to go lunch in about 2 minutes. So where's that at?
That might lift some of the selling pressure, unless they're the ones buying.
They're down 1,700 now. Kospi down 370 too.
What's up, Sil? Good to have you. You are looking at 1 minute bars on the left, and that's Mike's left chart. And then Renko bars on the right. He uses the size 6, so there's 6 ticks with a 3-tick reversal. So Ninja Renko. We can put it's free from the Ninjaco website. Here, I'll put it in the
I think I just dropped a video today showing that too.
Yeah, actually, if you check out Mike's channel, there's a video about it.
From today. Come on, just push it.
I use the same type of bars over here, but mine are 40 ticks instead of 6.
Oh crap, you use a 40-20?
Yep.
Wow.
Just kind of helps me see the bigger picture so I don't get caught up in the noise.
Yeah, I was green today. I did have some wild swings after the stream though. So the micro trade I was hoping to make $500 on lost me like 120, 150, somewhere in that ballpark. But I was up a lot more after the stream and I was down a lot more. I think I finished down just a little bit from where we ended the stream. But
hey, I love this screen name. No Stop Trader. I like it.
if you don't have a stop, they can't find it. They can't get you.
Hey, this morning when you were setting up the duck race, I heard you call out I think a newer person in the chat. I love that. You said you loved the name too. What was it?
Oh, that was too many trades ago.
Yeah, you were like, oh, I love that name, and me too. But now I can't remember.
I can't remember. Man, I do remember you. I do remember that. What was that name? I don't know. I do remember it though.
Yeah, shoot.
This son of a biscuit.
Anyhow, No Stop Trader did say they've been following you all night, Mike. Thanks. Made $1,220. Sweet.
He's up more than I am.
Remember, Mike's trades are for your entertainment only. You probably don't want to blindly just copy what the man does.
Yeah, like right now I'm showing you guys why you have to take profit. Don't trade the P&L.
You mean way up there where I asked you to take it off?
Yeah.
I said, please. Raj and I both. Pretty please, Mike. Please.
Yeah, you know. My back is itching. Holy crap.
Mr. Butt Nugget. Do you guys offer a mentorship?
Mr. What?
Butt Nugget. Butt Nugget. I like that name too. Mentorship? Hell no. Everything's free on YouTube.
I don't even want to know what that's all about.
Mentorships. Come on. Yeah, his levels are great. Volume profile levels and zones.
I gotta get rid of this now. All right, Nikkei should be at lunch.
Ooh.
Kospi's only down 370. Nikkei, stop there. Hey, HSI got green. Look, HSI filled the gap.
Wow.
Got green. Yeah. I wonder if that would have stopped me out if I'd still be in it.
I think so. That was a pretty big drop right there. It was close. Hey, good night, Chris.
See you later, Chris. Yes, down 6. Oh no.
Finite says, I think you're Finite, you're being sarcastic with that, I think, because Mike and I definitely don't listen to each other. In fact, We take turns beating each other up every day over, dude, you didn't listen. Dude, you don't listen. Well, that's why he jokes about the shock collar or the cattle prod.
Yeah. I'm not joking. I swear I'd do it.
Me too. Like when you were way up there and I said, take it off, I would have shocked the crap out of you. Nice, Gleb. Gleb got 10K day one. Just don't do 12K unless you're ready to be moved alive. Ah, Ben. Okay, Ben changed his name to No Stop Trader. Gotcha.
Oh. He's had some pretty good results too.
Yeah.
I don't know why I don't want to short this. Look, we had that wick. I like that wick. I really do like that wick on that last 4-hour candle. Are we going to run it one more time though before going back up?
Mr. Fish Sticks. That seems kind of sketchy to me. I don't know how anybody can get scammed. No idea. Nothing for sale over here, so there's no way to scam anybody. Everything we use is free.
Yeah.
Finite says, you guys are amazing. Fun time trading with you. Yeah, you too. Now, can we get up there and fill this other gap? Actually, how is that a gap on your... Wait a minute. What's the volume profile that we're looking at right there, Mike?
It's a 4-hour weekly.
How's there a... Yeah, that's a pretty big gap right there. How'd that happen? Is that like a Saturday to Sunday gap or something?
Good question.
That's kind of weird.
Yeah, it's not even a normal gap time. I don't want to reload it now.
No, yeah, but isn't that weird? The wicks don't meet, right? So it's like...
That's a large gap.
Yeah. Interesting. Better draw that zone out for next week.
I don't know if that's legit. All right, this went long again, but now you got me curious.
Good night, Raj.
Hey, good night, Raj. 4-hour. Yeah, I don't have no gap here. Must be something jacked up with that. I don't want to reload it because I don't want Ninja to crash on stream. So.
Hey, Carl, that's a funny, interesting question. Do you guys both trade full time? So here's the deal. The answer is yes, even though I've got a full-time job, because I actually spend full-time amount of hours in front of the charts. But I do have a full-time job too.
I don't know. Your job doesn't feel too full-time. Because you trade a lot. But you have a lot of time in front of the charts.
I have a little bit of leniency. Like my hours are pretty decent. Plus, I'm 3 hours behind the market, right? So I get to trade when other people have to be at work, unfortunately for them.
Yeah, I almost got a factory job, taking less money, working like the third shift or whatever, so I could stay at home and trade the New York session, so I could make the transition. But I didn't do it.
Mr. Keefe says, which job pays more? Well, depends on the week. A few weeks ago, I had a pretty big week trading. So the trading job that week paid a lot more.
Let's see. Can we get to 200 EMA? This will be the one I get off early. I take it off early and it freaking rips. Really don't feel it. It's gotta get up there though. I gotta quit trading 2 contracts on stream too.
Yeah, you're starting to slip into a bad habit. Have you been doing that in sim?
No, I trade this in my live account when we're not on stream. 2 to 4. But then I'm like, oh, I can get it back much quicker. Let me just do 2 contracts.
How old are you guys? Mike's 37 and I'm 38.
What are you talking about? I just turned 21. Get out of here. I identify as a 21-year-old.
You can identify as anything you want, sir.
Exactly. On my birth certificate, it might say something else. I've been trading for 21 years, so yeah. Came out of the womb with a smartphone device. Buy, sell, buy, sell.
Hey, Ben operates an excavator every day, trading while doing it. That's cool.
Wow.
I like big machines.
I couldn't join the WNBA. Too short.
Well, you can identify as a tall chick.
Yeah, I mean, I could, but I don't think I want to.
What's up, Team Massive?
Hey, so if OSHA comes out and says you've been violating the rules, can you just identify as not breaking the rules? Oh. You got this, this, and this. Well, I disagree. I don't identify with that. I identify that we did it correctly. Followed all policies and procedures.
Carl says, how long did you trade before you started making money? Well, Carl, for me, that's kind of, it's like up and down, right? So, I mean, I want to say my first payout ever was from Apex, and it was pretty early on. But then after that, nada. It just took me a couple of years to get back to getting a payout.
Mine was about 2.5 years. Then I went on a 14, 16 month win streak and then lost it all in 1 month.
Yeah, so okay, so let me back up. So it took me a couple years to learn what the heck I'm doing. Got a payout from Apex, and then took me a couple years to relearn what the heck I'm doing. And then recently I've been on a pretty good tear. So knock on wood that we can keep that going, even though I lost my damn Lucid account last night. And I'm pretty bummed about that, but I guess it's part of the experience.
Part of the experience. I like that.
Big Daddy. Big Daddy Cool says, I identify as a profitable trader. I love it. I love it. You guys are friggin' funny, man. Like the other day when John said, if my aunt had... My face hurt for hours.
Yeah, what did he say? If my aunt had nuts?
He said, if my aunt had nuts, she'd be my uncle.
That is funny.
Oh, man.
I traded my live account and I traded mix. So my live account, 6 figures. I have 150K prop accounts and 50K prop accounts. So
what happened to the movement? Well, one of the markets went to lunch break, so they're not trading right now. So it slows down the volume a little bit. Which one is that, Mike?
Nikkei, Japan.
Japan's at lunch, so until when? 15 minutes or 45 minutes?
11:30.
Oh, 11. Okay, so 45 minutes or so.
Are they gonna push it? The only way to practice is to practice. Turn on market replay and keep practicing the way you want to be able to trade.
And apparently I practice with funded accounts.
Well, I mean, starting out, there was no sim accounts like that. I had to try it out with my real money. Yep, that don't work. Yep, that don't work. Oh, a MACD indicator. Oh yeah, that's why I can't make no money. I don't have the MACD indicator.
Mm-hmm.
That didn't change things either.
Bradley says, what size accounts do you guys usually trade? Me, it's 150K accounts. I think Mike has a mix.
Yeah, 150s and 50s.
Yeah, Mike's long. Jordrick, Joaquin.
Oh, nice.
One Health Point asked you a question there, Mike. How can I practice my patience in front of the charts and not be an idiot?
So you gotta go market replay and just practice.
That just comes with
You just have to practice. You have to practice how you want to trade.
Yeah, practice not being an idiot, right?
So in sim, if you're gonna trade one contract in your live account, don't go into sim 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 contracts. You want to practice exactly how you want to be able to trade in your live account. I'm a billionaire in paper trading. Yeah, I've made some big money in sim accounts, but it's not real.
And by the way, I mean, I've been at this for 5 years and I still act like an idiot. So it's like,
I do too. I mean, I do too. Like, I'm not immune from it. I mean, look at me right now. I keep going long. Clearly the market's going down. I keep going long.
The New York PM low. Oh yeah. Well, we tested that earlier tonight already though. We kind of blew all the way through that, came back, held it, ripped up. Let's see. I mean, it's trying to bounce from there though. Maybe it's still a valid level.
I just can't get, every time it goes up, they smack it back down. Well, here's the thing a lot of people get messed up with too. They said, hey, if I make X amount per day, you're going to make however much per year. But they don't take into consideration losing days, losing trades. And you are going to lose. There's going to be losing involved in it. You can't lose. The market will teach you how to lose. It's a fact.
Mandu Gold says, I use a 5-minute time frame. This is madness. You guys are killing it. New here. All right. Well, welcome. Yeah, the 6-3 Renko bars that Mike uses, woo, it'll rip your face off. Way too fast for me. And hey, Mike, do you remember years and years ago?
Yeah, I was just going to say that. I was just going to say it. Yeah.
I traded the equivalent of about not even half, a third.
Yeah, no, it was a 2 brick.
Yeah, 2 bricks. Yeah, so it was like a third of the size of the Renko bars that Mike's using right now. So it would be flying.
Hey, he almost talked me into. I was almost gonna switch because he was on the stream at night. Oh man, look, there's a setup over here. Oh, I'll set up over there. I was like, man, maybe I need to switch. And I was like, man, it's just I can't do it. And good thing I did it.
I did a 180, man. I'm on a 40 tick Renko bar now.
Yeah, I could have closed this out for session highs.
Yeah. So take one off, dude. Just one, please.
Add?
Oh my God.
I heard add.
Well, hold on. I'm falling way behind on the chat. There must be a lot of people in here. Hold on.
No, there's not.
Nandu Gold. What was I going to say? Oh, Nandu Gold. So the Renko bars that I use are still Renko bars. So they're range based, basically, not time based. But their ATR is closer to your 5-minute, somewhere between a 1-minute and a 5-minute chart, as compared to Mike's. Mike's really ripping around 6-3s there.
Come on, baby. This could be my big trade. This could be my second biggest trade of the night, maybe.
Smushy Sam says, this is exactly where things were when I was here hours ago. Yeah, it came back down to here. So if you look at the chart, it dropped way down, ripped way up, and now we're right back to, fair value ish.
I don't know why you didn't tell me to take one off.
I'm pretty sure I did. Again. And I think I said, please.
I know, but I want a bigger trade. I'm not going to get a bigger trade taking them off early.
We all want bigger trades, dude. Does that mean it's good? Hey, and if my aunt had nuts, she'd be my uncle.
There you go. Start calling it Unc.
Unc Auntie. I got to give a credit to John on that one. I can't.
That's pretty funny.
Credit.
That's pretty funny.
So funny, my buddy John. All right, hold on. I'm gonna mute for a second. I gotta go grab another can of Zyn pouches.
Hey, finite. That's a fact. Missed trade costs you nothing. Man, I hate when I miss a trade though. You jump in late, bam. You're gonna get it smacked with it. Come on, just get up there. Can we get it? I'm gonna move this up just for a minute.
All right, I'm back.
I want to go check on the overseas. Here, your ice cream truck.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you hear Big Worm? You guys were joking about that the other night. Huh?
I didn't mute you. Just for the copyright.
Oh, was it that bad?
Yeah, I got you on that. You're back talking.
Yeah, he's gone. Yeah.
Oh no, hey, I did it. I muted the wrong friggin' one.
Guys, we had Big Worm cruising through the neighborhood.
He's at lunch. Cosby's not really trying to come back. Makes me a little bit nervous. All right, move that back down.
Okay.
I was gonna say Cosby was ripping. I was gonna move that up higher, but it's not. Long in your eval is not your funded. Yeah. I hate when you think you have the copier on and you're leading with a sim account. Bam, you get a banger trade. I didn't have the copier on. Son of a beep.
Oh, dude, remember the other day I did that? Oh, I was so bummed.
Yeah, that's frustrating. Yeah, I used to hear my friend's brother say that all the time. That kid was young. What's up, Big Worm?
Don't play with my emotions, Smokey.
Hey, he run around, Miss Parker. That was hilarious. Yeah, you can't trade big with a 50K prop unless you build a big buffer. I can't say you can't. It's just very difficult.
Hey, Finite, good point. I might have missed you guys talking about this when I ran to grab my Zyn, but Finite says, funny how a missed trade costs you nothing, but a forced one can cost you everything, right?
Yep.
I love that. What was I going to say?
Big Worm wig. You son of a beeper.
Oh, I know what I was going to say. Only like once has this ever happened to me, the opposite of that, guys, right? Where I got in a horrible trade, lost like $2,000, thought everything was going to blow. And then, oh my God, the copier wasn't on. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord Jesus.
Oh yeah, that like never happens.
I swear I'm never doing that again. Thank you so much. It's only happened like once.
Yeah, that's like I might not be getting a loss on this trade. I was up $600 on it. Would have been nice if you had told me to get out.
I tried to beg, dude. I begged. I tried. You know what happened? The friggin' cattle prod ran out of battery.
Well, it looks like you should have had new batteries in it.
You forgot to throw it on the charger.
I match this market. Aiming for 441, 237, 240.
Let's see. What do I got down there? Jeez, that's way down there.
I got another zone down here. We have an FEG down there too. So 499 down to about 494. It's not nearly as low as Finite was talking about.
Finite's talking about the low of the day. The low of the session, I mean. That just seems so far down there to me. I don't know why.
442.
Yeah, Yoda, I'm going to try it next time.
Yeah, I gotta put my. I'm glad you said something. I gotta charge. I'm a little bit nervous to charge it up overnight, but F it. Let's just see. Bye bye. I figure if I do this, it'll keep me. Hey, so here's the controller for it. I don't know if you'll see it. I'm really surprised I've never lost it. All it has is this little strap for your hand. Really surprised. I figure if I leave this right in front of me, I'll be able to see it.
You got to think that thing floats at least, right?
It does. It does.
Yeah, okay.
Let's see what the charges on this. See if we got to charge a controller too. No, let's charge up pretty good. See, the display will show you how many miles per hour and stuff you're going. Oops. How does it go away when I put it in front of the camera? There you go. So, I guess when I came in, I was on level 10 last time. So I'll leave that out. That way I don't forget. Don't forget to charge it.
Jord, that's the controller for his e-foil board. He goes and rides it in the ocean.
I'm going to try to ride it tomorrow.
If you don't know what that is, Google it, e-foil. It's kind of like a hoverboard on the water.
It gets a lot of looks. You go by and people, like, especially like jet skis, the person on the back will start pointing. They'll have to circle back around.
Yeah.
Hey, sometimes I'll mess with them. If I see the person in the back, point to it and they go turn around, I'll just cover right on the water. They're like, what are you talking about?
Nothing special. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing special over here. I don't know what you're looking at.
No, he was above the water. I'm telling you. But hopefully this thing will just run up there for me.
What's up, Force Fed? Good to see you.
I remember the one time I was going down the beach pretty far. I seen someone, they were pointing on the beach. I'm like, oh, they're pointing at me. Then I see the fin come up. Whoosh, I was like, it's a dolphin.
Dude, did you see Apple's comment? OMG. No. Apple, oh my goodness.
Elevated life, I don't know. It'll go like 33 miles an hour. So I don't know. Wife's adult toy, oh boy.
1 horsepower says, if you press that trigger, does it full port long?
No, but hey, if you turn the thing up all the way and you went like this, it'll launch the board right out of the water. It'll launch it. Lose, for example, more than 3K on your funded account, but the max loss is 2K. Hold on. If you lose an example of 3K on your funded account, but the max loss is 2K. I know in funded it locks at 52,100, but how much do you keep in one account? If you lose 3K in an account, I don't know, I'm lost.
If the max loss is 2K and you get slipped to a loss of 3K, the account's blown. If that's what you're talking about.
Yeah, I don't understand. Yeah. Yeah, you wouldn't have anything. No, I might take my, let's see, my last attempt. I haven't got good footage yet. So I'm working on get my GoPro mount retrofitted so I can put it on the board and put the other mount on it. Let's see the most recent one I have. Oh, that was after I took my daughter out. Hey, so I have a blow up thing that goes around the board. So when I take my daughter on it, I'll show you guys that in a minute. So there's me running it right there. So that's with the blow up thing on it. So you can see it's way above the water and stuff.
Yeah, way up above the water in that clip. Yeah.
And then
Pretty slick.
when I ride with my daughter on it. Oh yeah. Let me zoom it up a little bit. Hold on. She has a good time. She wants to go eat full on so bad right now. So there's my daughter on it. I put her on the front with the blow up thing on it. We're just like cruising around.
That's pretty fun.
Yeah,
That's
she likes
cool.
it. Yeah, she likes it. It's pretty neat. So.
Hey, real estate. I don't trade 50K accounts with one mini. My accounts are 150K. I used to trade 50K accounts, and I would trade minis on them, which didn't last long.
Yeah, I've done that too. It lasts longer if you trade micros, but
Yeah,
like I like to get funded with the minis and then trade micros once they're funded.
switch to micros, yeah, and slow it down. Yeah, brilliant.
Oh yeah, I love being on the water. I love being on the water. I mean, that's why I went to Costa Rica to go surf and be in the water. Actually, the first E4 I rode was in Costa Rica. I didn't ride it very good. All right, let's go. Push, push, push. Are they gonna get it? Come on, get all the way back up there. Hey, should I take one off?
No,
That's where you told me to last time.
no, it's gonna run the swing high there. As
All
soon
right,
as it breaks that
so-
swing high, take
So
one
let me move it up then.
At 544, take one off. There it is. Take one off.
I'm trying to take one off. Yeah, I was gonna take one off there.
There
it
you
is.
go. There you go. There you go. Now go for the next swing high, which is up here around 62.
Nah, I'm just
That's
gonna send it. I'm looking for an ad. I'm gonna add back to it. I'm just joking. So that should have put me. Actually, I could close this out, be at session highs,
No.
but I want more.
So put that stop at the 200 and let it ride.
No, I'm not doing that. We already
Dude,
discussed this.
The 3 times
Hey.
tonight you would have done it, you'd be up a couple thousand more.
I'm not trying to make money here. Come on.
Yeah, we got buyers. We got 82% buy pressure here. Let's go. Keep it going, buyers.
I'm a little bit concerned though.
There they go. They're
Here's-
ripping it
if you
now.
look at the regression channel though, we're a little bit above it. A little bit more, I'll get out.
It's going for that swing high, 62 I called.
I'll probably
It
get
wants to
before
go
that.
stop those shorts out first, and then it might drop.
I just need a little bit more. No, not back from lunch till 11:30. Move my TP. I just got my finger on the close button. I just want to see it go a little bit higher and I'm going to smack it. Because we're probably going to get a pullback. We are above the regression channel right here. So what does the ES look like? Regression channel is sloping up on the ES.
Yeah, Coop, I watched that video today too.
What was it about?
It's just the options situation, the VIX expiring tomorrow, the SPX expiring Friday, how we're still in an odd situation with negative gamma above us, positive below us, the opposite of normal, and how it all might play out.
I'm saying we go up or down.
Yeah. Up, down, or sideways.
Come on.
I still only have that original $778 on the night. That's it. I haven't been trading. I've been too busy reading the chat. You guys are keeping me busy.
I've been up and down, up and down, up and down. We are going to be doing that giveaway here shortly.
That sounded like a Big Timers song.
Oh, boy. Trying to get that song stuck in my head.
It's part of the lyrics. Up and down and up they go win. Do, 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 do. Yeah. Options expiration on Friday. OPEX.
Go up, stupid market, please, and thank you. Oh, why does this have to be so difficult? Drop back to view app, maybe. Almost wonder if I should have killed it right here when we broke that swing point.
I seem to recall.
Add one at VWAP. Yeah, I could. I
Where the
want
heck
more
is,
though.
I got to zoom in. I can't even see the VWAP on my chart here. Oh, yeah.
We got 9 count too. I don't like that.
We haven't really closed and held VWAP yet strongly. I don't know. I don't like VWAP for an ad personally.
So what, adhere?
I'm wrong more often than I'm right though, so just fade me and you're good.
So add 10.
Yeah, Robert, it's been frustrating. Yeah, the problem, Robert, is that on the futures market, the options flow, the options hedging that the dealers have to do have a huge impact on the futures market, right? And so when they've got the gamma flipped like this, it's rare and it's weird, and it makes them have to behave in ways that we're not used to. You know, we're all used to the grind up and, you know, the escalator up and the elevator down. Well, it's all over the place lately. It's tough to trade when you're used to a certain, you know, regime. So I think maybe after VIX and SPX expires this week, we might get to back to some kind of normal. I don't know. We'll see.
Oh, there's prop firms that have static accounts, but they're usually not that large of an account size.
Yeah.
And the drawdown isn't that much normally.
Yeah. The drawdown's usually about half. But if you mean intraday trailing drawdown versus end of day trailing drawdown, there's plenty of those available.
Ooh, you stupid market.
At least you took that one off.
Yeah,
thank goodness.
That sucks. I could have been up 2K at the high.
Okay, Stello, it's you go to Vol Signals on YouTube. Just open a new tab, go to YouTube and search for Vol Signals and watch their latest couple videos. They had a couple videos today. That'll explain it to you.
I say Cosby went down.
Great guys over there. Mike and I use Mentor Q and Spot Gamma also. They're all good products. They all give you the same type of information.
So what's that move all about?
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't see any news.
They
just want to make sure I come get my stop. First. God, this stinks. Oh well. What are you gonna do about it? Well.
Yeah, String Bean. Coop, who's in the chat, T. Cooper, she bugged me for a long time to start learning about how the options flow influence the futures market. And it was over my head and I just neglected it for years, right, Coop? finally, I read through some of the stuff he had sent me, and then I immediately knew I had to learn it inside and out. I mean, I'm no pro, but at least I understand now that the options dealers, they got to hedge their positions in the futures for every options contract they buy or sell. So that's a lot of flow in the futures. So, it's impossible to know exactly what intentions are going on, but you can get a pretty good feel for what's happening once you understand the options flow and what is supposed to happen in the futures market when that option flow occurs.
All right, hey, so let's talk about the duck race. We gotta do a poll real quick. We gotta do a poll because I don't know which duck you guys want to win. Which?
If you want a GEX pamphlet, the best thing to do is to go watch all the videos on Vol Signal's website. They do a real good job of explaining it in super stupid, simple terms. I learned a lot from those guys. They're really good at what they do. Everyone else who does GEX and Gamma, they're way more advanced. And a lot of it kind of flew over my head for a long time. So Vol Signals would be the place to start, just my opinion.
All right, so I'm gonna drop it in the chat and do a 5-minute timer. Which place duck should be the second winner? So the first place duck in the duck race will be a winner. Then do you guys want the second place, 7th, 13th, or last place duck to get that second take profit trader account? Meaning what place your duck comes in.
My vote's in. I got my vote in.
Vote's in. Hey Siri, set timer, 5 minutes.
String bean, I spelled it there. I put it in the chat for you guys. Vol Signals.
So we'll see. We've had one. A lot of times they want the second place duck, but we've seen last place too. So let's see.
Yeah, for those of you talking about GEX and Gamma, there's also, I believe Mike has, do you have Mentor Q linked in? Yeah, so in the description of the live stream here, if you expand it, you can scroll down past the prop firms, you'll see Mentor Q down there. You can watch their videos and read through their website too. They do a great job also.
Activated Finite's Siri.
That's funny. So just for transparency, I have Vol Signals, Mentor Q, and Spot Gamma. I think Mike's got at least 2 of the 3.
Yeah, 2. Hey, so what's the benefit of having all 3? Well, what does Vol Signals do that Spot Gamma and Mentor Q doesn't solve?
I was gonna say, it's like everything else in trading, right? If you put you put all these things together and you get like opposing signals, right? So I think for me, Spot Gamma and Vol Signals are heavily focused on the SPX. Mentor Q gives a lot more information on NASDAQ and stuff like that, which is what I primarily trade, so it gives me some value. But of all 3, I really like how simple, stupid, keep it KISS, keep it simple, stupid, right? How simple Vol Signals is. They just break it down by position size. They don't care about GEX and Gamma. They break it down by position size and then show you the heat map of the Gamma throughout the day and a heat map of the charm throughout the day. It makes it real easy to see what's supposed to happen in the futures market. So out of all 3, they're kind of more focused on, if you're a futures trader, they're kind of more focused on that impact, the futures impact of options.
Yeah, 29,500. We do have a little bit of, I almost said Gamma, resting liquidity there.
Buyers stepping in a little bit here. Let's see if they can push it.
I'm not quite at session highs, but I don't know that I want to swing at it. I do think we're going to go up higher tonight or tomorrow. The question is, do we flush that wick first on the 4 hour? I don't know that. So.
Yeah, string being the charm that Mike shows sometimes, that's the spot gamma one. But vol signal creates a very similar charm heat map to that also. I don't know if Mentor Q has charm heat maps like that, but they do things different. They display it in different ways. So there's value to all of them.
Well, they give you like today. We talked about this on stream this morning. If you look at Mentor Q, they had, I kicked myself for not following it too. But like right here, we can backtest it, backtest the levels. And under backtesting, if you went to the 1 day min, you can see on average, we move 268 points below it when we break it.
Yeah. And how often does it come back? What's the percentage
I think
on
it's 40% that time.
Yeah, gotcha.
But if you look, they've already updated the levels. Dang it.
Oh,
I was going to show you, but we went like 220 or 230 points below the 1 day minimum today. So by knowing that, I should have been looking to go short, and I kept trying to fight it. So, it is what it is. Oh man, that stinks. Yeah, hopefully we don't get a gap up tomorrow. That would suck.
yeah, there's the push. I saw those buyers stepping in. I tried to call it out. Oh, you're not in that trade?
No, stop me
Oh,
out.
yeah, it came back and got you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
MFers. Now, I don't think it would have got it. God, it scared me. Holy crap. The timer went off. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close out the poll. Let's see. Man, it was number 7. Well, let's see what the final was. 7th and 2nd tied. We're going to go with 7th because 7 is up there. So first place duck and 7th place duck will both win a Take Profit Trader account. Now, before we go ahead and let Nightbot select who's going to be in the race, Nightbot's going to select 10 to 12 people. I'm going to select another handful of people I see in the chat on a regular basis, put them into a duck race, and spot 1 and spot 7 will win. But you got to make sure you're signed up to the email list down below, and your email is confirmed. Once you sign up, it'll send you a confirmation email. Sometimes it goes to spam. Click on that, say, yes, this is me. You'll be on the email list. And then you want to spam the chat with the key phrase that I'm going to drop here in just a moment. So key phrase drops in 3, 2, 1. TPT pass. TPT 3-day pass. All right. Hell. Oh, I got the notepad. Where'd it go? All right. Man, good thing I had that notepad set up today, too. I made a boo-boo.
Yeah.
We would have lost all the names. That would have sucked. All right. One last trade. I like that name.
That was the one. That was from this morning.
I was thinking that too. I was thinking that too.
One last trade. I love it.
I was thinking that.
One last trade and no stop trader. I love both those names.
Man, I really wish I would have been back in that, but I really wanted a 2K night, but not meant to be, I guess. Adam, you have a spot?
Night's not quite over.
No, it's not over yet, but I'm a little afraid I'm going to get into a trade and the market's going to barcode. is what I'm worried about. Eric Smith, you have a spot? All right. You guys can quit spamming the chat. Nightbot is done selecting. I'm going to scroll through the chat and pick some regulars I see in here. Miranda, you have a spot? I got to get sports equipment. Somebody call him by Apple. Hedged, you have a spot. Spaces. Oh, I'm gonna put Paul in here. Paul
Which
Rodriguez.
Paul? We have 14 of them.
No, he's not in here right now, but he keeps missing the stream. Like he's always in here. So
Sweet.
Lobster Dad, give you a spot. Alley Cat. We get Mongo a spot. Hey Mongo, I'll give you a spot, but if you win, yeah, promise me you're not gonna take all their money. I need to be able to get my payouts too.
That goes for anybody who wins. At least
Jay
some for
loves-
us.
Jay Loves, you have a spot? Lambo Man, I'll give you a spot. Ooh, Scoot. Heck. So glad I didn't FOMO into trade. Elevated Life, where'd it go? There you go. Oh, I can't believe I didn't have that one. String Bean, you have a spot? What about... I wonder if Trish is in here.
I haven't seen Trish.
I know Trish was in the morning stream. What about... Kim? No.
Don't forget about your partner in crime over here.
Partner, who's that?
Hey, I get to pick somebody or what?
Oh, I thought you wanted your name in. I was being dumb with you.
Yeah.
Who do you want to pick?
Phoenix.
Oh, hold on.
Phoenix.
All right, I'm picking Phoenix.
I picked Phoenix.
I'm just joking. I'm trying to get Atomic in here.
Phoenix, I got you.
Dog, I can't find Atomic's name again.
I saw Atomic.
Yeah, he was. I went to go do it, and the chat moved on me. I couldn't get it. I got it now. I gotta find Phoenix. Hey, so tomorrow morning, we're gonna do 2 giveaways as well. So 2 TPT accounts every stream this week. 2 TPT accounts. How many do I got in here? 1, 2, 3. I got 26. Oh, let's see if they're still in here. Bet you they're not. Nope, they're not. I was gonna give him a spot too, but he's not in here. Oh, hey Frank, you have a spot? I think I want one more.
Oh, Frank, you got. Oh, you want one more? Give me a choice. Oops, selling. I hear sellers.
Yeah, good thing I didn't jump in that. I don't know how to spell that. I don't know how to say it. Castello? I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll go that.
I like that.
All
Okay,
right.
Stello.
I was trying to bring it back down. All right, now where did I get the ducks at? Now remember, if you're not on the email list and you win, you forfeit. Names, edits. Boom,
And if that's the
paste.
case, does it go to duck number 2 or what happens?
I would say default good. Well, it depends on which duck. Yeah.
Okay, first goes to second and 7th goes to 8th. How about that?
All right. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We locked it in. Locked in the rules.
All right. Let's see who's got what it takes. So hey, just because you're duck 8 in first doesn't mean it's time to go away.
Yeah, you're looking for first or seventh, and then maybe second or eighth if somebody
All
is
right.
disqualified.
On your marks, get set. Beep.
Dude, that's a lot of ducks.
That's what she said. Kentucky Derby. Let's go.
Yeah. No scratches. I don't see no scratches.
We got Crazy Eye Duck over here.
We got a full
Elevated
field.
Life's like looking sideways, one eye. Yeah, Super Duck over there. Uh-oh. We gotta get the kryptonite. Jesse's duck is Super Duck. I didn't realize you're gonna be Super Duck. God, good. Almost thought about going long, but I didn't take it.
Yeah, we're definitely.
I want to focus on the duck race. I didn't want to get distracted.
It's range bound, but it's a nice range, a nice sized range. So this is tradable.
That's what, $600.
Britt Martin. I don't think I made the cut again.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
All right. I don't know how to pronounce. How do you pronounce that name?
Shetna.
All right. Hey, so I'll need the first three letters of your email. First three letters of your email. Let's see.
Hey Britt. So Britt, I see the issue. Britt, you put in the code TPT 3-day pass, but you only did it once. You gotta do it over and over and over and spam the chat. That's how Nightbot, you got a better shot at Nightbot picking you to get in the race. So next time, come back tomorrow morning. Mike's gonna do another one and put it in a bunch of times and you might get in. And congrats on that win there, Shetina.
I need the first three letters of your email.
Castello. Ah, we got the name right. He said we pronounced it right. Sweet. Atomic sent in a report card. All right. Shetna is here still. Shetna, we need the first three letters of your email.
I'm gonna put on a timer. They're putting on the email list they're trying to get on, which is gonna be too late because I'm already in the email. So it's not gonna go on.
Oh,
Hey Siri, set timer for 3 minutes. All right, 3-minute countdown has started. If we don't get within 3 minutes, it goes next person.
It's SHE. Shetna says.
SHE?
SHE.
I want to see the report card too, but let me get this.
Check it out. Atomic, we'll check out the report card here in a second. And then we got to go see who came in 7th place.
SHE. I think this could be it. Huh. All right. We got it. Hey, so any of the winners, if you have never traded with Take Profit Trader, please go over there, create an account. Don't buy anything. You just have to create an account, create a username, password, because they need your email on file. Otherwise, there's no way they can transfer you the account. All right. So sent.
Stack Money says the regression channel is money, Mike. Yeah, I like that linear regression channel. The problem is you got to be real quick to get out of a trade if it breaks through that thing, because it could keep going. Shetna, yes, Mike's about to send you a message. We'll do some, and then, yep, expected email. What did I miss?
I'm working on that right now. About what?
That regression channel is on the 1 minute, and the period for it is 55, right, Mike?
It's on the 1 minute period, is 55 with 3.
Yep.
All right. Shetna, I got your email sent to you. So, hey, make sure you already have a Take Profit Trader account or an account with them. You don't have to have a live account. You just have to create an account with them. Don't buy anything. Go over there and then when you send me all the information, I'm going to email Take Profit Trader, and they'll get a chance to transfer the account to you. All right. Now, I want to see this. I got I don't see it. All right. Who's going to be the next winner? Who do you think was the next winner?
Number 7. I don't know who it was. Let's check it out.
Miranda.
Miranda.
Miranda. Miranda. I was going to say I picked, but I didn't pick.
No,
So,
I think you did. You said, Miranda, you got a spot.
Yeah, but that was just because Nightbot picked it. Nightbot picked the first 10. Actually, 11, I think.
Uh-oh, I don't see a Miranda. How do you spell it?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's weird. How come it's not letting me type it in? Oh, there it is. Okay. Sweet. All right. Let's go, Miranda. Double female winners. Really?
I think
Congrats.
Miranda's won before. Hey, Miranda, what's the first 3 letters of your email?
MIR. All right.
MIR. Man, I think I want one more trade, but I don't.
I don't.
It's like I do. Only if they can guarantee me it's gonna be a win.
Hey, Sam, the regression channel on the 1 minute or anything smaller can be noisy if you have it set to too short of a period, right? But Mike's got it set to 55, so that's almost a whole hour of regression that it's monitoring. So I don't think it's too noisy at all. It depends on your trading style, though. If you're a swing trader, you don't want to be looking at a 1 minute regression, right?
Yeah.
But Mike's a scalper, right? And me too. We're in and out. So I think the 1 minute makes sense. Mine's on my Renko bars, and I'm looking. It looks right about at the same angle as Mike's right now, but it doesn't always line up with his.
I guess not. All right, so.
Okay, Stella says, Jesse, do you trade order flow? Yes, I watch the time and sales, otherwise known as the tape. I also watch the volume pressure imbalance from Bookmap. The velocity of the orders coming in, I watch all that stuff. Yep. Lizard Trader, same, Jesse. I like it on the Renkos too. Yeah. So if you're using a real small Renko bar, like for example, Mike's 6/3 Renko bars, for that, I would be using like a 400 period linear regression channel. Just me, personally.
Stupid market. It's going to go up. Hey, Miranda, I sent you the email. Dog it.
It's all right. It's going to go right back down. It's playing the regression. Look at this. Ooh, nice little rip.
I could have got it. I could have got what my target was I wanted.
Look at this perfect range we've been trading though on the 1 minute over there, Mike.
Yeah, but I could have.
Wait till you see when sellers step in, go short, boom.
No, because then it's going to really rip.
Yeah.
It'll be the big. Trump will come out and say something. So.
I got my finger on the sell button. As soon as I see sellers step in, I'm doing it. I trust the range. Oh, they just came back from lunch. That's what happened. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, let's actually go check that real quick. Let's see if I want to get in something.
Congrats, Miranda. Congrats, Shetna. Now get out there and make some money.
Hey, they're still kind of, look, they're just barcoded. So HSI is doing better, but it pushed up in barcoding. Kospi's down here, just barcoding down at the lows, by the lows. Same thing kind of with the Nikkei. So.
Good job, Mongo. $1,100 on that rip. Nice.
I could have shorted it right there too.
Yeah, I missed it. I totally missed it. Hopefully it bounces just a little bit more so I can get in. Miranda just got first payout ever last night after 60 accounts. Sweet, nice. Dude. I remember my first payout. Oh, I was so pumped. I was so pumped.
The first one's the hardest one to get.
Yeah, I was like, dude, I made it. Let's go. And then a couple years of getting beat up. Congrats on that. That's a huge milestone.
I don't see the thing from Atomic.
Oh, the report card?
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, maybe it's on X or something. Hey, Atomic, how'd you send the report card? Email or socials?
I feel like I seen something come up and then it was gone. Hold on. No. 5K on the nice. Hey, you should always take a payout. Forgot to hit send.
Yeah, Atomic. Oh man.
It's like, hey, check out my report card. See it? You see it?
Hey, you know what's funny? Remember the other, when was that? A couple weeks ago, I kept trying to send you my report card and it was coming up blank.
Oh, yeah.
Like Gmail was stripping that attachment out of the email every time. That was weird.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Up 5K, take a payout. How much buffer? So my take on that is I don't trust myself, so I always try to leave as absolute much of a buffer in there as I can.
Yeah, but then you lose money.
In fact, I don't.
So if you don't trust yourself, shouldn't you take more?
No, because then I'm gonna blow it up definitely.
Hey, good job on that, Atomic. 831.
Nice.
Yeah, give it up. Good deal.
Super nice. Salud.
Yeah. All right, so we got both of them. All right.
It's fun. Hey, Mongo, it's funny. Mike and I have argued about that a lot, right? Mike's all about get the money, take the money, it'll pay for the account, boom, get break even first, and then worry about stuff later. Me,
Yeah.
I always want to try to build as much up as I can and get the max payout.
Yeah, but then when you have that one bad day, you lose it all.
Yeah, it's true.
And then you got nothing in your bank. It just goes.
Yep. It's very true.
Hey, like, nah, I got this. Nah, I got this. That won't happen. As soon as we say that, the market's like, oh, we got another sucker. Watch this.
So it's all like you got to put it in perspective, right? So here's the thing. I've never really had a small payout. I've never had $200 or $300 payout ever. I've had $3,000 to $5,000 payouts. But what comes with that is the $3,000 to $5,000 losses too.
Yep.
So, you know, it's if you risk it for the biscuit. I think Mike's probably right. It's best to at least get your money back out of it. Like, say, for example, you paid $300 for the account, including activation and all that. Well, take $300 as soon as you can.
I take six.
Double it. Take
$600.
$600. Yeah. There we go. Top of the range. I'm just waiting for the signal. Come on.
I still have the micros on from earlier. I'm going to hold them all night. So the more I think about this, if the micros hit, that would put me very close to my target I wanted. So
Still buyers. Still buyers. Still good velocity, too.
That's because I'm not in it. Let me get in. I'll stop it.
Okay. Speed's dropping. Oh, they're kicking back in. Still buyers.
Stupid market.
No problem, Mike. I really like that. I forgot the guy's name, but there's two guys over at Vol Signals. The main guy that does the YouTube videos, I really like him. I forgot his name, though. I like how super simple it is. You know, those guys are only looking at net position size. They don't care about what its GEX or what its GEX value is. It's the position size. Ooh, the buyers are still getting it.
Yeah, look, there's that price I was looking for earlier. Opening price.
Yeah.
That's what I was trying to target. Stupid market.
Stupid market.
I don't know. I don't think I want to take a trade and get trapped in a trade, so I think I'm going to jump off, go to bed. get up in the morning and do it all over again.
Yeah, what time is it? 11 your time,
11:40.
11:38.
Yeah, 11:40ish. I'll be back. We'll be on stream 8 a.m. in the morning. So hopefully tomorrow we're gonna do 2 Take Profit Trader account giveaways as well. So if you guys want to come out, hang out, love to hang out with you guys, and we'll see.
Yeah.
Because right now, if I get into a trade and I lose, we know what's gonna happen. I gotta get
You're
back
gonna
to
be
at least
up-
where it was.
Yeah,
Then it's
be
gonna
up all-
barcode, and then it's
all
gonna be
night.
3 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, you sons of a b words.
Yeah.
I should have
Hey,
just stopped.
Gardening relaxation. Come back tomorrow. We'll talk about the buyers and sellers stuff. It's a good topic to cover. So we'll talk about that tomorrow.
Yeah. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good night. I want to thank everybody for coming out. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow on the live stream.